you're new here, welcome. If not, I'm glad you're back. Well, you can just sit in the couch while others live their best lives, or you make a better one by doing one of the 146 other things. No, I'm just glad you all are joining me. Of course, this search as we stumble what life has to offer aside from gossip. Oh, anyway, with this disclaimer being one of the most mundane person in the world, I'm just Megan.
Today, let's gonna get ready first. Back to school makeup ang peg natin today. And we will also unbox new makeup from Says Lady. I think this is from Says Lady. The long-lasting matte waterproof foundation. Then we also got the long-lasting pressed powder. Binili ko siya kasi matagal na siyang trending sa TikTok. I actually got one of these already. Ito siya. And di ko siya masyadong nagamit kasi I don't put makeup on a daily basis. So, di ko siya masyadong nagamit and I think expired na siya. Well, I don't know. It's not that di siya maganda, pero I just don't use makeup on a daily basis. Okay. Ito siya. I got this in the color ivory. Ay, may plastic. How can I get a plastic? There's still plastic though. Here it is. So today we will just get ready. It also comes with a sponge right here. Cause when it comes to makeup, dapat mag one shade lighter ka. So I got this in the color ivory. And when it comes to foundation, dapat konti lang para hindi siya mag-super cakey. So just a little bit of foundation. And it doesn't look good, especially if just a back to school makeup. Ayaw mo naman na magmukha kang pupunta sa pageant on a daily basis, like in school, di ba? So, just a little bit of foundation. Blend mo lang siya. Just blend it. And later, yung mga gray area. Wow, gray area. Yung mga area na hindi na cover ng foundation. Diyan na lang natin ilalagay yung pressed powder, especially the neck. Pressed powder na lang yan. So, just a little bit of foundation. That's what it looks like. Okay naman yung coverage niya, pero hindi talaga siya pang pageant, ganun. Pang slay na makeup. Hindi siya masyado pang slay, pang everyday lang talaga siya. Pang back to school, pang go to work, mga ganun lang. And since microbladed yung kilay ko, hindi ako nagkikilay din on a daily basis. Pero just to put some body or volume, lagyan natin siya. I always use this BYS brow palette. So it has a black color, my brown, and then this one is for concealing the brows. So all in one na siya. And I like this because it's super pigmented. Importante magka-shape lang talaga yung brows ko kasi microbladed na siya, so doesn't even have to put brow gel or something on it. Pero actually, Matagal na kasi tong microblade. And I don't really like putting makeup on a daily basis. That's why I got microbladed. And nagpahinga lang ako sa eyelash extensions kasi parang ubos na yung real lash ko. Pero tamad kasi ako mag-get ready every day. So, if microbladed na yung brows mo and then okay na rin, for example, you already have lash extensions, it will save you really time getting ready every day. And just don't put makeup every day. I don't know. It's just me, but if you like putting makeup, it's fine. Because makeup really is a therapy. It really does make you feel better. And that's what I like about makeup. It's like a therapy for girls, so don't judge girls to put makeup on a daily basis. Now, concealer. We will just conceal. I use this Naturactor. This is my one and only concealer because I tried other concealers before and wala talagang kapantay. Wow. Wala talagang kapantay yung Naturactor for me. For coverage, very lightweight, very nice. If I have eyelash extensions, this will look really good. And this is the reason why you should get one shade lighter sa foundation mo. Kasi for example, you're putting concealer, it will look like this. And then you're gonna put contour pa. So don't worry, it looks really concerning right now, but trust the process. Later, if we're gonna put contour and then blush, this will really look different now. It doesn't matter if your foundation is one shade lighter because you're gonna blend it naman with a contour. Contour and then concealer. And I also use this contour palette. Contour and blush palette from UIS. I think my contour, my blush, and then it also comes with a highlighter. So, tipid tips rin yun. Even though it's pigmented because you use a one shade lighter foundation, tingnan nyo, parang nagbe-blend na siya. Hindi ka na super white tingnan. Ivory kasi yung shade ng foundation ko kanina. So, if I put contour here, parang nagbe-blend lang yung foundation sa contour. It doesn't look that white. And I don't think kailangan pa natin ng blush. Maybe just a little bit. And lagyan na lang natin dito for the nose line. Maybe just a little bit of blush then. Just the blush, just the same palette. Dito nyo lagyan ng blush sa cheekbones. Just smile for a little bit. Like that. And then, yan lang. Actually, mag-lipstick na lang pressed powder. This is really the highlight. Pressed powder really is very essential. Pressed powder. Kapag blend mo ng maganda yung pressed powder talaga, yun lang yung kailangan mo. Perfect na. If you notice, nag-iba yung kulay ng foundation. That's the reason why you really have to get it one shade lighter. Hindi na siya super white kasi marami ka pang products na ipapatong. So, if kas shade mo lang, so hindi yun magbe-blend eh. It will not blend. And yan, parang ang light lang. Hindi too much Hindi siya super cakey, hindi rin siya super loud. Wala. Giving lang. And then I got this highlighter when we were in Bangkok. Actually, it's a white eyeliner sana. Pero let's see if I will put some white highlighter here. Parang okay naman. Actual highlighter is just this one from Caroline. The Strobe Stick. Since yan naman yung bag natin today, more of the products talaga is just drugstore products. So you don't need a high-end makeup to look good. For our lips, let's just use this lip liner first from Face Secret. Because I'm really into nude shade. Tingnan nyo naman yung shade or yung palette ng lip liner ko. Or yung lipsticks. It's all nude. Yun kasi yung bagay sa akin. Hindi bagay yung super red. And then, I got this VO1 like lipstick from Sales Lady. And so, yan lang yung lip combo ko everyday. I'll just finish my hair, and for the makeup, ito na yun. I'll be back. So, this is the final look. I just put my bangs here. Of course, wag natin kakalimutan perfume by Andrea's Secret. Ang bango! Yes guys, naliligo talaga ako sa perfume. I just love smelling good, so I spray like 30 sprays. 30 or 50 kapag may date, 50 or 100. Okay, let's go!
September 1, malago lang kami. Pero tumagay nabalaan namon na ako na ay may valuable sa September. Ginagalawa ako.
Ano sila makatude?
International nila, di ba sila? Sa Hong Kong na big ba nila?
Yung ba sa tumubo na dito?
Pero pili ko daw.
Damo, ano ba laguro? Damo lang, pero hindi man ginagawa.
Ito nakakabala ko sa libro. Ang Black Friday bala sa Amerika. Amo na ka. Ano ba?
As it.
Oo na.
For example,
Ang appliances gid.
sabi ka dyan, sobra pa din. Ano, super.
Na ano, na card. Kung diri sa ato na hindi nila ka ano. Hindi nila ka Order ko mo.
44K. In one go lang.
10 naman daw sa minyo ko.